Hi, welcome to the NordPass video guide. In this video, we'll show you how to save and use passkeys in NordPass. Passkeys are a new type of authentication that lets users securely and seamlessly log into websites and applications on desktop and mobile devices without creating or entering a password. Passkeys offer many security advantages to your accounts. They're strong by design and eliminate the need to create and remember different complex passwords. Each service you use gets a unique credential, granting more robust account protection. Your private key stays confidential, while the public key is registered with the website. Finally, passkeys are highly resilient against cyber threats like phishing or brute force attacks. With NordPass, you can easily create, store, manage, and share passkeys. Let's see how you can do it. First, check how many of your password items in NordPass can be swapped for passkeys. To make the switch, select Create Passkey in the tab, and NordPass will redirect you to the specific website. From there, follow the required verification steps set by the site to change your login option from a password to a passkey. In some instances, you may be required to enter your NordPass master password or use biometrics to verify the switch. Once your passkey is set up, you will find it in your vault. Unlike traditional passwords, passkeys cannot be viewed by the user and are never displayed or entered manually. If you're creating an account for a website that supports passkeys, you may still be required to create a password first and then change it to a passkey. You need to follow the same steps to change your preferred login method. Now that you've set up a passkey, you can start using it as a login method. Go to the website and select to log in with a passkey. Then, you will be prompted to verify your login attempt on NordPass using your master password or biometrics. That's it! Now you know how to create and save passkeys in NordPass. If you have any questions regarding this topic or NordPass in general, contact our customer support team for assistance. Stay safe.